Anything with
Still
Hamburger.
Hamburger Hill.
Okay, then just find the hostage.
If y'all, there's only 2 refs. We can't do that. We need like.
I'll be your extra. I'll be the
Yeah, I can
hostage.
be your extra.
No, we need a dummy,
No.
like a wool
Well,
dummy.
Leonidas is dead, so.
All right.
What about like 2 teams just brawling out?
That's yeah.
That's called team deathmatch. Y'all want to do team deathmatch?
No.
Yeah.
Sure.
No, but
All
keep
right.
it to a limited area, because it's just kind of...
Yeah, it kind of is.
Do y'all want an objective?
No. Look, the black doesn't even.
Do y'all want an
Sorry, I
objective?
didn't. Oh, yeah, it's on. I didn't even do the objective.
Y'all want to do team deathmatch, and y'all want to do an objective, so.
Team deathmatch.
Let's play keg.
Not the first one.
What's okay?
Yeah, they did.
Oh, that's an old game.
Keg is
We could. Yeah, let's do that. All right.
Wait, what?
And let's play the Italian
Well,
game.
we're not gonna do the keg. We're gonna do the.
Max, you got like stiff arm.
Yeah, I really did.
Get out of the way.
Move.
This is our footlocker. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, I can tell.
Chuck it at somebody.
Chuck it at me.
No, don't chuck it at anybody. Wow, can I
That's
try?
the footlocker.
Can I try picking it up?
Why do you
No,
abuse me?
leave it. All right, pay attention.
Max.
Attack or defend.
Stop.
All right, green team, you're gonna attack. You're gonna take this footlocker. 2 people have to carry it at all times.
Yeah,
If one person gets shot, you have to sit it down, and it can't move until you get 2 people to carry it again. What?
Oh, I didn't say anything.
Oh, you raised your hand.
I
Okay, so
carry.
green team, you're gonna start on the blue barrel. Your goal. You see that building in the tree line with the
Get on
tower
the other side,
attached to it?
Yeah.
Way over in there. You have to get it in that lower building.
Wait,
Okay?
where? I wasn't.
Solid.
See the building in Zombieland with the tower?
Yeah.
You get it in that building, the ground level building. What?
All right.
No, you cannot hit anyone with the ammo, with the footlocker.
No,
Black
not with
team.
the footlocker, like this.
Your only goal is to stop them.
No, Max, not yet.
Start at the red barrel.
Stop.
Let's make this interesting. Black team, you have 3 lives.
Yay!
So, I'm gonna trust y'all to be honest
Don't be
and
cheating
count your
now.
lives yourself. All right? So, I'm sorry. Yeah, so you can't respawn. So black team, how this is gonna work for y'all?
My daughter.
You're gonna start the
Marking
game.
out.
That'll be your first line. And to make it a little more interesting, I'll let you start anywhere on the red barrel side of that tower. Y'all see that tower? You can start anywhere on that side. Okay? When the game starts, you're on your first life. You die, you respawn. That's your second life. You die, you respawn. That's your third life. After you die that last time,
You two are gonna carry it?
Yeah, Max, stop trying to pick it up. We're not done.
go to the red barrel. Yeah. So you basically get 2 respawn.
Stop.
Yes, it's full field. They haven't
Full field?
responded. Any questions? Alright, go find your spots.
Hold on, Max, do not pick it up
Green
yet.
team.
Oh my god.
I have to put
They
my.
have 3 lives. You have unlimited lives.
Hold on, I'm messing with my hose.
How about y'all just stay back and just go kill them 3 times? Keep on respawning.
How about we just
They're
fight?
smarter than that.
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
You sure?
They've beaten you every single
Can-
Hey, that's the
day.
first
Come on, Max.
Not the first one.
You won the first one. No, it wasn't. Oh, I wasn't there. That was the second one. It was the second one. You be gone.
Actually, hold on, switch sides. My pistol keeps hitting me. Spend my dollar. Yeah, where are we bringing it to? Did anybody pay attention to that?
Are we just bringing it to our spawn? Are we bringing this to spawn?
There's a building.
Okay. No, you got it to our spawn. For this
Well,
right
we
now.
try to get it over there.
You have to get it over there.
Do I need to go to spawn?
Yes, we all need to go to spawn.
Oh, I'm maxing spawn. I'm just getting max. This is my last max thing.
Do not throw it until you have a reason.
Am I allowed to put it in someone's pocket
No,
with like the...
no, you're not. That's the dead end of it.
What about like inside their bed?
You cannot put it anywhere on a person.
Yeah. It has to be, you have to throw it in like the ground. If it blows up in that area, then they're out.
All right, somebody else is carrying this because my knee is about to give out. No, my knee's like fucked up. I don't know what I did. Like it hurts every time I put pressure on it. Coming in a row.
Yeah, you're welcome.
My knee hurts so bad. Somebody else got to hold this.
He's a pussy.
We don't want to torture you guys by
Why is there so many dudes right here? What happened?
All right. Who else wants to carry it with Max?
No!
No!
Give us a second.
Come on, somebody get it. Let's go. Let's move. Don't run. Just conserve our energy. We gotta carry a dang container. Let's go up to the left. No. Hey, who here is
Hey, watch
left-handed?
straight down there. Watch straight ahead of you on the straight.
Oh, sick.
Got it. Run across. Go, go, go.
This way. Right. All right, let's left. Let's get behind here real quick.
I see one.
Max! Max and somebody else, I need y'all up here. We gotta start moving this. Come on. I'll provide supporting fire. Just get up here. Get up here, come on. Get up here, Max. Okay,
There's a kid right on the cross.
we need, hey, are you willing to move if I cover y'all? Y'all need to move into that green container right there.
Nah,
Yes,
kid's string head. The kid has to cover them.
yes, that's fine. We'll cover both of y'all. Y'all just get the container, move down to that opening right there. I got y'all, don't worry.
Straight ahead, we're gonna get this right.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Get there, get there, get there. Get there, come on. Yeah, good, good, good. Let me go in front, let me go in front. No, we're going here. We're going
Hey,
through.
green or black?
Come on. We gotta get through here. Y'all, come on. Where's the container?
Right here. We're going this way.
No,
Go that way.
no, we're going through here.
No, go that way.
Yeah. Jack is all the way over there.
Okay, fine, come on. Let's go. Y'all pick it up. I'll be in front. All right, good, come on. Come on. across there. I'll get y'all covered. I sworn they said the ejected from the group. Alright. Alright, now go, now go.
Which way?
I don't know, where's the objective?
That building. Go in. Right here. Go, go, go.
Sorry. You're green. Hey, we're green. We're green. We're green.
You have a case.
They just got shot.
Hey, we can make it up for the talk.
Huh?
We have the grip.
Yeah, now you're. Oh. Speak of the devil.
Alright, y'all want to run up there? So the objective's over there, right?
Yeah, so that building.
We win. Oh, hit.
I'll pick it up, I'll pick it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Run, 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 run. Go. Get up here, quick. Which building?
Make sure you're on Sammy if you're in a building.
Which building? That one right there?
No, this one right here.
Oh,
The tower above. That was great.
we're gonna run up to there. Come on. Quicker. Quicker, run. Alright, set it down for a minute. He's in that building. Okay, sorry, go. Alright, we got one down.
I see somebody speak.
We got one down, we'll start moving. Come on. Is he hit? Are you hit? Oh, shit. Alright, come on. Thanks. Wait, right here or here? So we got the objective now?
You get to carry it back to the gate.
Awesome.
Yay!
Good work.
GG. That was surprisingly well.
That was easy. I guess being a farmer helps carry stuff. So that helped a bit.
We did it, guys. Brad, did we make you proud?
No, you didn't make anybody proud because you died. You died.
I had a noble sacrifice.
What did you call me?
I called you ref.
Oh, okay. I thought you called me Zach. I was like, what?
Is that your name?
No, that's not my name.
Oh.
Don't take. Put your laptop back on. Yeah. You really gonna do that with me standing right next to you?
I'm dying. That was actually a pretty fun game mode. I never usually get to get the objective.
We haven't done that game.
We could do it again.
What are we gonna do next then?
I'm gonna lay down on my bench.
Yeah, you'll get.
Brad, will we not take an eternity to do next time?
I'm dying.
15 minutes, like we always. Yeah, y'all can drop it. Thanks.
Yeah, because I'm very. Put your mask back on!
Bro, that's the second time!
This is second
I'm
time!
right next to you!
Oh my
What
god!
are you doing?
Hi, Parker.
No!